Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I had a viewer or a subscriber ask me a question, and I've already replied to him that I don't think there's any way to do that. And I started doing a little research. He wanted to know if he could get a Jpeg of a text. So if you click on this, this is a Jpeg, and it's pretty good shape. I exported and imported it, but you can see it's still pixelized. Well, I just got this and brought it in, and it's a good clean graphic. I got this from that JPEG. I had no thinking that you could do that. So what you do, you go to, well, there's the guy that asked me the question. Type in online OCR. And then I went down to free online OCR, convert to PDF or Word, and you click on it and you select your file that I saved in my picture folder as a text from JPEG. I opened it up, I picked English, and I picked plain text. If you were doing Excel or Microsoft, you might want to pick those, but if you're just bringing it into Corel, it's going to take just a second. This is pretty cool. I'm going to try it later with a lot more wordage. It's taking a little time. It's getting the file. It's at 53%. And then after you do that, you're going to do step 3 and you're going to convert it. Almost there. You don't really have to show this because I've already done it, but I thought I'd go ahead and let it go all the way through. And then when it gets to 100%, convert it. It's processing it. And there's probably a lot of other ways. You could download the output file, or you could just copy and paste in Corel, and Corel puts it in this normal text mode. If you go to text and convert to artistic text, now it put it all in one line, but it's still a text inside of Corel. It's Arial. And then I think I broke it right. Well, let me back up here. I broke it like right here. I center justified it. And I don't care how big you make it. It's clear, vector. It's a font. That's cool. So I'm going to thank that viewer for testing my ability, and I'm glad I figured it out. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.